Hi friends, this is Dr. Sirisha. Welcome back to my channel Healthy Magic Foods. Today I am going to show you how to make sweet pongal using raw oats granules. Already I have shown you how to make hot pongal using raw oats granules in my previous video. If you have missed it, please go through the video. The link is been given in the description. Raw oats are powerhouse of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. It contains lot of vitamins and avenanthramides, a potent antioxidant along with ferulic acid and phytic acid, which are also antioxidants which builds up the immune system. It contains no sugar and contains 11% of fiber, which is advisable for diabetics and obese people. Also advisable for the people who are suffering with constipation. Oats are available in the market in the form of processed oats and the natural oats. These oats, processed oats, can be cooked easily, but you cannot make many recipes with that. But natural, the grains can be made into granules, can be cooked into different recipes, and they are very healthier and tastier and very simple and easy to make. I am going to show many recipes about using these oats. Please subscribe my channel and share my channel. Thank you. Raw oats. These are raw oats. These are raw oats granules with bigger size, coarse granules. See? These are fine granules. You can make these granules using this machine. I made these granules by adjusting this knob. You can adjust the knob for the coarse granules. You can adjust this knob for the fine granules. With the coarse granules you can make hot pongal, but with the fine granules you make the sweet pongal. I am using this fine granules to make the sweet pongal, and I have already used these coarse granules for making hot pongal. To make sweet pongal with raw oats granules, take 1 cup of these fine granules of raw oats, which is equivalent to 100 grams of raw oats granules. Okay. Take 25 grams of chickpea lentils or chana dal and 100 grams of jaggery and dry fruits of your choice. I have taken here kaju, badam, pista and kismis and cardamom for flavor. Take a bowl, add 100 grams of raw oats granules, fine raw oats granules, then these chickpea lentils and add to it. Soak it for at least half an hour. Wash it 2 to 3 times and soak it for half an hour. Rinse it with fresh water 2 to 3 times. I have taken 1 cup of raw oats granules, that is fine raw oats granules, and 25 grams of chickpea lentils. Now I am adding 2 cups of water. 1, 2, and for chickpea lentils half cup of water. Totally I have added 2.5 cups of water. Close it with a lid and soak it for half an hour. After half an hour, see, it's been soaked properly. Now we will keep it on stove. And let us boil it. Once it gets boiled, then we keep the pressure lid. You can cook it with the pressure lid or in a pressure cooker, giving 2 whistles. With the pressure lid till it comes to turbo. Allow it to boil. Once most of the water gets absorbed, then keep the pressure lid. Cook till it is turbo. In a pressure cooker, allow it to give 2 whistles. In a bowl, transfer this 100 grams of jaggery and add 1/4 cup of water just to dissolve jaggery. Yeah. Keep it on stove and heat it until the jaggery dissolves. Dissolve all the jaggery. See, the pointer has come to turbo. I am switching the stove off. In pressure cooker, once it gives 2 whistles, then you can switch it off. Wait till the pressure gets released. Once the pressure is released, we take out the lid. Then already the jaggery is been dissolved. We add the jaggery water to the cooked raw oats granules. Now the pointer has come to the end. Now pressure is slowly released. Then we can open the lid. See, it's been cooked. Now softly been cooked. Now add jaggery water. Filter the jaggery water. Filter the jaggery water into the cooked raw oats. And then to take out any dirt in this. Then again light the stove. Then cook in jaggery for a little while. Meantime, we fry kaju, dry fruits, badam, and whatever the dry fruit you prefer to add, you can add. Now let it get cooked with the jaggery water. Add 1 spoon of sugar. I am using misri here for taste. This is optional. If you want, you can add, otherwise you can avoid this. Take ghee in a pan to fry dry fruits. Then light the stove. Keep stirring in between, otherwise it gets burnt at the down, because we have not added any ghee or anything to it. Now add dry fruits when the ghee is little warm. Then start stirring. I switch it off. Now slowly start stirring till keep it in low till it becomes little brown and the badam starts crackling. On low flame, fry them. See, slowly the almonds have started cracking. You get a crackling sound, then you take it out. Light brown to the kaju, then you take it out. Don't fry them till it gets burnt. Then it loses its flavor and taste. Then fry kismis. Switch off the stove. Automatically these get fried. Once they are puffed, you can take them into a bowl. Now add this ghee to pongal. And cook it for a while in ghee. Now it is almost done. Now the cardamoms, then crush them. Peel the cardamoms, then crush. Almost done. You can switch off the stove. Now crush this. Crush cardamom after peeling. Only the seeds you take and crush it. Crush it to a fine powder. Add cardamom powder to the pongal. Mix it properly and then add raisins, fried raisins. I have already fried it in ghee. If you want to add this fried dry fruits directly, but I grate them and add with a dry fruit grater, 2 small pieces to a dry fruit grater, and then otherwise the dry fruits are going to be very big. Add them, grate them and add them like this. Then mix it once. You can keep some more dry fruits for garnishing. Now I serve it in a plate and show you. This is a healthier sweet pongal of raw oats granules, fine raw oats granules. See, healthy sweet pongal of fine raw oats granules. Add some dry fruits on it for garnishing. See, this is the sweet pongal with fine raw oats granules. As I told you, raw oats are very good and beneficial to health. So, you can have a healthy sweet pongal. Happy Pongal!